Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having a great day as always. Today's kind of gonna be like a vlog type vid. I'm gonna be doing something to the 240. I'm kind of getting bored with how it looks and I don't really want to buy new wheels, so we're probably gonna just do the current wheels this car has on black. Just Plastidip it because, you know, can't go wrong with $20 color change on a wheel. So yeah, gonna uncover this thing up and then we're gonna be mobbing out to the store real quick, and then yeah, so like I said earlier, kind of a little vlog type video and see how this goes, see how you guys like these type of videos, because I'm trying to get more serious with this shit. Like, I'm trying to start putting out content more than once a week, and only way we're gonna be doing that is if I start doing that shit right now and, you know, just getting straight to it. So no more messing around. I'm trying to provide y'all with some dope ass content and content on the cars. That's what this channel is all about, and that's what we're gonna be doing. So let's get this show on the road, unwrap the car, and then be on our way. Let's get it. Actually, I'm gonna wait a bit real quick because I know y'all hear that, and your boy is not trying to uncover the car and have this dude leaf blow the shit out of it. So yeah. All right, dude, finally mobbed out. Let's uncover this thing up. And if you leave your cars parked outside, I highly recommend getting one of these Motor Trend covers. I bought mine off Amazon and it's only like, I think like 60 bucks. So why not have a car cover on your whip if it's just gonna be parked outside? That way you don't get dirt or anything on it, and it just stays clean 24/7, you know? There is the beautiful 240. This shit wet. This shit's shining hella tough. Throw this little antenna thing back on. Old car shit. And yeah, damn. I love this color. Can't even tell on camera, but come on, bro. This thing is taking days. Here is how the 40 is looking. This is the OEM wheel color right here, but you know, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. Spice things up, because y'all know me. If y'all follow me on the gram, I hate leaving shit the same for longer than a month, because you know your boy just starts getting that itch to switch it up. So yeah, hopefully this turns out pretty cool. Oh, another thing I was thinking about doing is I'm thinking about going back to the onion taillights. Funny ass story to tell y'all about these taillights, so stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all a quote start real quick though. Give you all the little cold start clip. But funny thing about these tail lights, so I was at Costco getting gas. Pop up in here. Damn, old cars, man, you gotta slam them doors. But so I was at Costco, I was pouring gas in, and this dude pulls up to me. He's all keeps staring at the car when I'm over there about to go pump, and I know this guy's gonna tell me something. So pull up, this dude's like, yo, what kind of Honda is that? Or he's like, is that an Integra? And then I was like, nah man, it's a Accord, because I had an instance before where I had a mall cop pull up on me and he was like, nice Accord, like he was being sarcastic and shit. But that's why I was like, I replied to this dude like, nah, it's a Accord, not an Integra. And then dude was like, oh, what the hell, for real? And then I was like, no man, I'm just playing. I thought dude was being sarcastic with me, so I started being sarcastic back to him. But dude was being dead ass, like for real, and I was just caught off guard. I was like, damn, this dude really thinks this is an Integra. And I was like, no, it's a 240. He was like, what? No way. And it's because the Sylvia front end be throwing it off, and you know, the tail lights, and now I just can't get that shit out of my head. Like, damn, people really be thinking this shit is a Honda. And yeah, I keep thinking about that now, and that's why I don't know, I kind of want to go back into the OEM tails. And I also think that the OEM tails will look nicer on this green. I didn't like how they looked on the red, so that's why I took them off. But I felt on this green it'll actually look nice, so I don't know, we're gonna play around with it, see how the OEM tails look on the green. And yeah, I just thought that story was kind of funny because I straight up thought dude was playing with me, but he was being for real. So I guess people really do think these cars are Hondas when you have those tail lights going. But yeah, just wanted to share that with y'all. I know I double park like an asshole, but ain't nobody here. Look at me trying to open the door without even unlocking it. All right, y'all, took a little pit stop. Show y'all how these wheels look when this color, and then I'll probably come back over here to the same spot and show y'all how the black wheels look. Not gonna lie, this finish on the wheels is actually clean, but like I said before, your boy is bored and I'm ready to kind of switch up the look a little bit. And y'all know when you guys switch up the wheel color or anything, cars looking totally different after. So yeah. All right, y'all, back at the cribbo. I'm about to jack up the car and take these. Ooh, can't even talk right now. About to take those wheels off. I'm gonna do the rears only today, just cause y'all already know with the daylight savings shit. Yeah, it gets dark quick, so yeah, only gonna do the rears. And remember, always when you're jacking up the rear, if you're on a decline, throw these stoppers on there, cause you never know when shit could go wrong. Trust me, I've had an occasion where, yeah, not on any of these cars, but on a car I've owned in the past, and let's just say I learned my lesson. All right, y'all, so as I was taking off the R34 wheels, I was like, you know, why not throw these wheels on? I know I've thrown these wheels on before, but I've lowered the car since then, especially going on to these R34 wheels. So I threw on the fronts that I had on here when I was running the full set, because this has a skinnier tire on it. And we're about to lower the car up and see how it is on this ride height. And not gonna lie, kind of nervous right now. All right, let's see how this goes. This side's a little better than the other one, but I don't know, man. Ooh, I'm so sorry for the leaf blower, but damn. If this isn't rubbing when I'm driving, holy hell. All right, this side's a little better, so I'm guessing this side of the wheel is running a little bit more camber. And yeah, if the other side was looking like this, I'd be cool with driving it, but wow, not safe. Okay, but I've literally been taking pictures for like 5-10 minutes now. I'm obsessed with how this fitment is in the rear. Holy shit. Nice car, bro. Nice. Damn, I just got a compliment by the Amazon driver. This thing turns so many heads, I swear. Like, this shit leaves me mind blown all the time. But man, these wheels, I'm scared to drive this car with this fitment. But check it out. All right, y'all, a new day now. I never seem to get a project done in one day, so you know, it's always going on to another day. But here we are. I have a little tent set up here so stuff doesn't fly on the wheels when I'm spraying them. And hint, hint, that is white over there as well. So, wow. Instead of doing just black, I kind of wanted to experiment a little bit, since this is cheap stuff, literally $25 worth of spray can, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing 2 of the wheels in white and then the other 2 in black. And I'm basically gonna be able to find out which side I like more, and if I'm digging both of them, I'm probably just leave it like that on the car. Green on white you could pull off, but just this style of wheel, iffy on it. So doing 2 wheels white, 2 wheels black. Quick little throwback to my blue 350Z I had. Also did this with the Nismo wheels. Did black on one side, white on the other. It was pretty cool, honestly. I like the little 50-50 look. To each its own, though. I know there's gonna be people out there that are like, that's just whack, looks lame. Just do all of them in the 4. Do all of the 4 wheels in the same color. I don't know why I can't talk. All that Thanksgiving food. Speaking of Thanksgiving, today is Friday. Hope you guys all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I sure did, and yeah, it was great. What I usually do is I duct tape not duct tape, but painter's tape this whole back part, just in case I ever want to take off the Plastidip. That way there isn't overspray on the rear, because once it's on the barrel, that isn't like heavy Plastidip, so it's kind of a pain to get off. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I actually already have 2 wheels done over here. So this is the white and the black, and people are always bashing on Plastidip. And honestly, to me, it's kind of, I don't see why people bash on Plastidip. When you do it right, it doesn't look bad at all. Like, look at that. Not bad at all. And I honestly, I've been dipping for the longest time now, so I kind of got the hang of how to spray it on and how the coats are supposed to be done. So go ahead, check that out. There's a little bit of dust on it, but I'll give you guys a better look at the wheels once I'm done with these ones. And let me just show you guys the center caps real quick. These things came out so good. I know the GTR emblem's a little messed up, but look at that. Damn. Kind of want to do all the wheels in black, but there's the white. You know, it's not perfect. It's Plastidip, so yeah, there's that. Here are the OEM colorway. All right, you guys, the wheel is basically all prepped up. I just have to cover up this little center area. Probably just throw a bag in there because I don't want to get all that type of stuff Plastidip, because I know that's gonna be a pain to come off. Then I'm gonna just not Plastidip, I'm gonna cover up the valve stem as well. And yeah, basically set to go. You guys see all these blemishes right here. Hopefully those aren't gonna be noticeable after the Plastidip is on. And we should be ready to go to spray it black. I know a lot of y'all are gonna be like, why don't you just use spray paint to hit the wheels? The thing about spray paint is when you're spray painting it, you gotta sand down the whole wheel, and your boy is not trying to do that. Again, this is like a quick little job that you could remove off if you don't like it. With spray paint, you can't do any of that, so that is the perk of using Plastidip, and that is why I love it. So let's get on with it, and hopefully I could throw these wheels on the car today. The sun's already going down. What the hell? First coat is done. Super light. I just want to get a feel on the wheel with the Plastidip, and after this we'll start going harder and harder. But like I said, very light coat on the first one. All right, y'all, second coat is done, and the wheel's actually looking pretty damn good. Better than the other one, because on these Plastidip bottles, I guess they just updated them. They freaking have a way better nozzle now. It's weird because only on the black one though. The white one I picked up has still the old, same old shit. The center cap, first coat on that, kind of went a little bit too much, but we should still be good. Only thing I'm afraid of are runs, but we're pretty damn solid right now, so fingers crossed the whole process goes like this. But as y'all could see, it's turning out pretty damn good. All right, y'all, I finally got the wheels on the car. Are you guys ready to see them? Bam, there it is. This side of the car is white wheels, and I gotta say it looks pretty damn good. You guys can't see the contrast with the green, obviously, because the sun's not out, but here's how the white wheels look on the car. I was kind of iffy about how these wheels would look in white, but honestly, they don't look too bad at all. And yeah, there it is. Show you guys the other side real quick. There it is. Hopefully this car is not turning and I'm clear to go in the street. But here is the black side, and I just love how the brakes pop out now. You guys could just immediately see the brake caliper color. I love that. And there is the rear view. Man, black just looks so damn good with the tint. It like gives the car such an aggressive stance. I don't know, this thing just looks so good. I love both sides. I still can't decide which side I like more. So yeah, let me know down in the comments section below which side you guys like more. And I can't decide. I really can't. Both look really, really good. And yeah, there it is. I also want to show you guys this hood. So I don't know if you noticed in my previous videos or not, but wow, there's a loud car. Subi. That's just, yeah. All right, like I was saying, I don't know if you guys noticed in my previous videos, but this 240 always had a little hood alignment issue. It's not perfect now, but it's way better than whoa, can't even talk. It's way better than what it was before. And I don't want to go even lower because I feel like it's squishing the motor. No, it ain't, but yeah, you know what I mean. It's super close inside the engine bay, so I'm gonna settle for right here. Y'all will probably see more pictures on my IG, but it looks way, way better now. And yeah, there it is. Check out the wheels one more time. And yeah, there it pretty much is. Quick little $25 job, so I mean, you can't really go wrong at all. If you want to change up the color of your wheels, I highly recommend using Plastidip because it gives you a sense of like, I don't know how to put this into words, but instead of just going right off the bat and going for a color on your wheels, whether you're freaking powder coating them or whatever, spray painting them, I highly recommend doing Plastidip because I could literally peel this off right now if I wanted to. And you know, at the end of the day, I've seen how the wheels look in white, and yeah, that's the beauty of Plastidip. Peel it off whenever you want. So yeah, I love it. $25 again, you can't go wrong at all. And there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Again, I appreciate all the love and support. Honestly, it means the world to me. I say it all the time, and it's because I really mean it. This whole stuff is really crazy, and yeah, I appreciate all the love and every single one of y'all that are supporting the channel. We have some hot boys out tonight. Those of you in SJ who know this area, at night when you're mobbing, it's freaking echoes everywhere. But yeah, there it is for this video. Again, I appreciate all you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.